Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog nail grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 7.3 OOPT Dog and Cat Nail Grinder Kit. Dremel nail grinders are so good that many people simply call nail grinders Dremels after the brand. This grinder has 2 settings, 13,000 RPM so that you can cut through the outer parts of the nail quickly, and a slower 6,500 PRM so you can work with more care near the quick. Some people might think that this speed seems a bit slow, but unless you are a professional and you know what you are doing, you won't want it to be going much faster. This grinder is cordless, which means you and your dog don't have to worry about navigating cords as you find a comfortable position for both of you. This model is also quieter than many of the others on the market, which means that its sound is less likely to set your pooch on edge. This grinder is on the expensive side, but it's removable, and rechargeable battery could save you money in the long run, plus it comes with a 2-year warranty. As well as the charger, you get a variety of sanding cylinders to deal with different densities of doggy nails. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wahl Ultimate Corded Pet Nail Grinder. By far the most expensive grinder on this list, twice the price of the Dremel, which was not cheap. This is a premium, professional nail grinder and probably more machine than most people need. At twice the price of the Dremel, this Wahl grinder is the premium product. It has a lot of comfort of use features, such as being lightweight and ergonomically designed for finger grip, comfort, and control. This was created with the professional in mind, who will be using the tool for hours each day. You will find a variety of speed options up to 13,000 RPM, and there is no need to be restricted to just 2 speeds. But despite that, it is surprisingly quiet. It also comes with a large sanding drum with 3 different sanding wheels, so you have lots of options depending on the state of the dog's nails. At number 3, we have the Hertzko Electric Dog and Cat Nail Grinder with USB charger. If your pooch has particularly tough nails and you are looking for something durable, this Hertzko grinder uses a diamond bit grinder, which provides a smooth and safe grinding experience, and it will last and last. But as one should expect whenever the word diamond is involved, this grinder is not cheap. Like the Dremel, this Hertzko is cordless, so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about cords. While cords can be particularly problematic if your dog decides to spook, this is less likely with the Hertzko than some other brands, as it is blissfully quiet. The grinding machine comes with 3 different size openings, appropriate for different sized paws, which means that a single machine can effectively service a multi-pet household. USB rechargeable, the higher price than some of the cheaper models should quickly even itself out as you save on battery replacement. At number 2, we have the ConairPro Professional Dog Nail Grinder. The ConairPro is another model that is marketed as whisper quiet in order not to spook your dog. In reality, this is a basic model for those who want something functional but don't want to spend a lot of time learning how to use the tool. It comes with just 1 speed, so there is no adjusting as you go, but you are protected from doing harm to your dog's quick by the safety guard, which should stop you before you go to deep. The guard will also catch nail grind as you work for easier cleanup in the end. While the speed is not adjustable, it does come with multiple attachments, so you can adjust to a rougher surface if your dog's nails prove particularly tough to cut through. This model is lightweight and ergonomically designed for easy use, but it is a corded machine, so you do need to be close to an outlet while working and ensure that your dog doesn't decide that the cord is also a toy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andis 2-speed pet nail grinder. That is a lot of pieces to keep track of, so it also comes with a handy case for keeping everything together. This grinder is a little on the expensive side, in the same region as the Dremel, but the main downside is that it is corded, so you do need to keep your eye on what is happening with the cord while you are working. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.